Good evening, whakalawhalahi atu, hanei hadau tola dau wala tāla tutupu. Kua whai hapataki mai he tau motu I whawhukua mamanaki ke whai whakaholanga ke leweki mo e pui pui po ke sanctuary e tau honey bee he motu, ke whakawhano ke he tau motu ke he kehe. Ko e tangata ko pule ke he kautaha niwe honey ko Andrew Corey hane whai ngahua ia mo e taha kautaha ke he tau pulenga ke he kupenga hila mai Amerika mo kautaha Pacific Island Trade and Invest ke whakaholo e whakaholoanga fōu nei. Whalua tau mana tutupe ha koe tau hokutaki ke otaki mai ai e tau honeybees he motu. Koe tau pulenga ke kamata e whakaholanga nei ke asitupe whakamua ke whakataua ki e tau kolonga ke tausea ke whakaholanga nei. Halau tolu e tau whailoanga foki koe mai ki he tangata ke whaki tupe kamata mai he hongfuru tāla ke tōngfuru awhi tāla ke lata mai tau whakaholanga nei. Koe tau whakaholanga nei foki kua pehe mai he tau hokotaki mahuinga lahi ha kua mitaki lahi e tau honeybees haniwe ka koe tau manu nei ke tau motu ke kehe kua mamasi mo e ku e numela ke tau motu si mitaki lahi haniwe ha koe tau honeybees nei kua lewa e toka ke motu si nā kai moa e tau ngangau ko moa he whalu he tau manu pehe nei ke tau motu ke kehe. Nā kai la moa he taha whakailoanga ma he whakatawhano niwe hangau ke he whakaholanga nei. Hane whae whamaupopo e whakaholoanga ki he tau tula vai, he tau kaina toki tahe motu, mo e ono e whahenga hua leweki ki he whakaholoanga ke whamaupopo e tau kola nei a ta hoko e me ta hiku he tau nei. Pehe toki ta ki he whahenga hua kua lango e whakaholoanga ki ai ko sauni tonga tole, ngā hua anga ia e whahinga hua ke he whalo tau kaina, kai whai numela kaina ngaia ne nā kai la mau papo e tau whakaholoanga tula vai.
Koe mau nei kua usitika hai tu tula vai he tātu ke tu kaina ni ke tu kaina ni kua tu tonu ke moe tu tula vai he kamtang, usi fuke tu tuanga tula he tausi. Moe mai longa kei fuki kua tolonga fuki tika niu ko fitai whakaonga tu tula vai nei ke mau nei. Ko e taha ni e mena ni kua tupe whakatose whainga hua. Hako e tō mga aho ni kua tuku atu, mua atu ke loturu ne nā kaile tause a loturu atu halawai. Hako e manako e whainga hua ke mue matanga hua, ke whamapopo he tangata loturu tu turawai, mua atu tu halawai, mua atu ke loturu ne nā kai whai mga nei. Kai watu e tu whanau ni kua kotofa ke watu ke whakamutu taki mai tu halawai ki loto he tau tula. Koe tau koroa ia ko whita he tamai he tau kamori, si tokanga ia ke he rewhikianga he tahe vai mo e takatakai motu. Kai manako ka ke whakahoro i ngahua kai osi kai amunaki ke whamapopo. Hako e ono atu ki ai ke mtahiku e tau nei kua whamapopo te ngahua ia ke osi mo e tause tu hokotaki ka ke tātu ke lata mo e matangahua. Ko e ono anga he mga honi ka ko e kawi ke he turungu furu e pasene ia lau turu ni kua nā kai la whai halawai. Ko e ka kano nei ia ko e kawi ke he seo ka he tangata ni tuka ina ka he mga honi. Ka ko whita wharu he ngahua he mga honi, si ai la whai matutakianga mo turu ka hake. Ko ingo e tuanga mori, ka e whai tangata ngai ni ne ai la tause lau turu to halawai.
Pehe whoki aia mitaki e whakaholoanga nei ke lata mo e tau tangata si pia whoki ki alau tolu kua manako tula vai la whikilunga.
Tokolonga i lau tolu hane mua mai tau manatu whiawhia, mua atu ke tau mga hoka moali ka he mase hela i whiwai, si tō lai whiawhia lau tolu hako whai walawai ka hake lang matai he mga huia, ke lata mo e lewikiang he lau tolu e tau mga whawa. Taha mo e ua e mataka inanga ne matutaki mai hanga au ke whaurua mena ikiki ke he tau tutakianga ni he tau tula. Mo e lari fuke motoru e watu ke liu ke whakakohako. Me liu ni me whakamamatu fuki ni ka ke tōna ngata koe tanga ua fuki alo tōru ke whakamea fuki tō harawai. Ka ua toka ke tāna fuki e tau kiwai ki loto. Suke tō muna ikiki pia ne muna ke motoru ka maupop. Tō watu mia ke liu ke mua ta whakakoanga ke he tau manga te ki taha ngau ke rewekianga he tau tūrawai hato tū.
Ko he whakaholanga nei, ko whakatupe he whakaholanga PAC, po ke Pacific Adaptation to Climate Change. Japan has elevated its relationship with Niue with a declaration to recognize the island as a state. Niue becomes the 195th state recognized by Tokyo as it attempts to boost its diplomacy in the region. Honourable Premier Take Talangi, who attended the 7th Pacific Leaders meeting in Japan last week, also held bilateral meetings with Japan. We'll bring you more on that when he does return to the island. But during the Palm 7, or the Pacific Island Leaders meeting last week, Japan pledged $450 million to assist the Pacific combat climate change. Reports from SBC that price of fuel will increase in the Pacific due to the international increase in crude oil. Only some will be affected. According to the department responsible for the petroleum on the island, Niue will not be impacted by the new increases. The reasons given for Niue's position is that whilst the price of fuel internationally dropped, some countries continue to have high retail prices and did not benefit from the full decrease, which in turn should not be affected by the latest price rise. As Niue is one of these countries who did not benefit from earlier falls, there will be no change to the current fuel price. To end our news bulletin for tonight, last Saturday, Village Greens of Liku and Hakupu saw 4 cricket teams from around the island battle for the 2015 Kilikiki Championship title. This year, just over 10 villages participated in the men's Kilikiki competition that started in February. Hakupu and Alofi played at Hakupu for 3rd and 4th places. The home team took to batting first and had recorded a massive 347 runs before the break. Alofi played catch-up and overran the home team's run to record 353 runs with 8 players left. And Liku, Mutalau and Liku, anxious to decide who will take the champions title, started the morning with Mutalau batting first to record an unreachable score of 391 runs with a few players left. An hour's break before the home team Liku also got off to a good start but was unable to reach the score, instead recorded a great score of 314 runs. So the 2015 Men's Kilikiki Championship went to Mutalau, Liku 2nd, Alofi 3rd, and Hakupu became the 4th team to complete the competition for 2015. That's our news bulletin for this evening. Good night.